Hey, are you new to systems engineering? Maybe you've been in the field for less than a year or maybe less than 2 years? Or are you fresh out of college or a direct transfer from a different field and all of a sudden you have systems engineering tasking? Well, I can help you out and I can give you the tips that I've learned over 20 years in the field that'll help you avoid pitfalls, but also take advantage of opportunities, and also just with how to think like a successful systems engineer. This will help you subconsciously just make the right decisions. And as I've found as I've gone along, maybe not send that email that's not going to help, or just shape that PowerPoint presentation where you need to persuade someone and just have that extra impact. Now I have a new course out. It's called 30 Tips to Succeed in Systems Engineering. There are actually a few more. And it's designed for people who, if you know the process already, if you have the basics of systems engineering, where it's needs to requirements, then over to verification, and you allocate requirements to certain pieces of the physical architecture, if you at least have some exposure to that, either at a course or maybe a certification, then these 30 tips are going to help you take your career to the next level. You'll have pitfalls to avoid, and most of these I've made, so I can help you with that. But also some things to deal with about ethics, or if you're doing some requirements work, keep these in mind. So reach out, grab something on my Calendly, let's have a conversation. Particularly if you're new to the field, let's just have a talk about where you're at. How can I help? I have a lot of free content, but if you want something a little more intense, a little more focused, then this 30 tips course might be just for you. At the end of it, you're going to be able to look more savvy than you are, perhaps, or than you might feel. You're going to avoid rookie mistakes. And more importantly, long term, you're going to be the type of engineer that people want on their team, because you know how to work in a team environment. You know the systems engineering basics, and we'll review some of that. But you also have those soft skills and presentation skills that just help get your thoughts across, and also help you avoid sending emails that are just unproductive. And I've sent a few of those. So anyhow, just grab me. Let's have a no obligation conversation. Let me know how I can help your new career.